Today we're going to be going over main topic or main idea and details. The main topic or idea is what the text is mostly about, and the details are the things that support that, the smaller pieces of the text. So while we're reading today, I'm going to have you thinking about what the main topic is and what are the details that go along with it. Today we're going to be reading Amazing Ants. So even in the title, that gives me a hint about what the main topic or idea is going to be. So if the title is Amazing Ants, I bet that the main topic is going to be something about ants. Let's read the first paragraph. Oh no, who invited ants to our picnic? But before you get too angry about those bugs, here's some facts about this amazing insect. So the first paragraph is also a good place to think about what the topic or the main idea of my text is. It's telling us that it's going to say some facts about this insect, which is ants. Let's keep reading. Paragraph 2. Ants live in a large group called a colony. There are 3 kinds of ants in the colony: the queen, female girl ants, and male boy ants. The queen and male ants have wings. The female worker ants do not. The queen is very important. She is the only ant that can lay eggs. A colony usually only has 1 queen. Paragraph 3. All the worker ants are female. They build an anthill, find food, and even act as soldier ants. The worker ants help take care of the eggs and babies. Soldier ants protect the colony. Ant body parts: leg, rear, trunk, head, antenna. Ants' antenna are attached to the head. They allow the ant to hear, taste, touch, and smell. Paragraph 4. An ant's body has 3 parts: the head, trunk, and rear. They have 6 legs that are attached to the trunk or the middle part of the body. An ant's eyes allow them to see very well. Their antennae are special. They allow ants to hear, taste, touch, and smell. Ants can communicate with each other by touching their antennae. Paragraph 5. Ants can carry 20 times their own body weight. That's like lifting a car. They bring leaves, crumbs, and dead insects back to the colony to eat. When ants find food, they leave a scent trail for other ants to follow. Paragraph 6. Most ants build a mound to live in. Many dig their mounds in dirt or sand. Some use twigs to make them stronger. The mound has tunnels that connect to different rooms. Some of the rooms are used to store food. Others are used as a nursery for the baby ants. There are even rooms that are used as resting places for the worker ants. So the next time ants show up at your picnic, remember, ants are amazing insects. So let's go back and think about what the main topic could be. So if the title says Amazing Ants, the first paragraph talks about how ants are amazing, and the rest of the paragraph talks about ways that ants are amazing. Then the main topic or main idea must mean that ants are amazing creatures or insects. So that's what the entire text is about. So on my chart, where it says the main topic idea, I could put something like, ants are amazing creatures, because this is what the text was mostly about while I was reading. Now let's think about details. What are 3 things that support why ants are amazing creatures? So if I go back into my paragraphs, I can see that paragraph 2 was all about the colonies, where there's a queen, females, males, and their different jobs. So on my chart, one detail can be ants live in colonies, because that supports why they're amazing. Let's look back in my text. Paragraph 3 talks about worker ants. So that could be another detail. They work hard doing different things like finding food, acting as soldiers, taking care of their eggs and babies. So that can be another detail. Worker ants have many jobs. That tells me why ants are amazing. So that's a detail. Let's look for one more important detail. Paragraph 4 and 5 talk about their different body parts and what their body parts can do, like their head, their trunk, their rear, their legs, and it even has a diagram to show us their different body parts. So this is another way that ants are amazing. Paragraph 6 even talks about how they use those body parts to build. So my last detail can say, ants have many body parts, because that tells me why they're amazing. So this is how you find the main topic or idea, what the story is or text is mostly about, and the details that go along with it. So remember, the details need to support the main idea.